So today we're shooting 35mm film, a little bit of 16mm film, and shooting the interviews digitally. A lot of the modern cameras have ND built into the camera, but film cameras do not. So we need to drop neutral density filters into the camera on our film camera and our 16mm camera, and then even our B camera and FX3 that have built in. So we're really heavily relying on neutral density a lot on this shoot. And just traditional neutral density doesn't really cover the full spectrum of light. It doesn't really cover IR or just visible light or UV, and so we've been using NiSi's full spectrum ND on this shoot, and it's been incredible. Really helps match everything across the board too, just blocking out all those, different wavelengths of light. And I've been really impressed with them. They're really great. Full 8 stops. It's been really nice, being able to take, like a 2.4, 2.1, things right outside, because a lot we're kind of shooting a little bit more run and gun, but film can kind of handle it here and there. When you kind of stack them up next to other traditional NDs or IR NDs, man, the performance is incredible. And the image looks fantastic. I don't think too many people think about how much really good ND plays into keeping a really clean image. And then when you really start exploring the differences in all those different NDs and how stuff comes in and out, you'll really start to see where full spectrum is really key.